the islands on a cool summer night. You don't got to hurry, take your time. What you need is on the menu and you'll get it tonight. Buddy, you got women on your mind. Could this be magic, or could this be love? Could this turn tragic? You know that magic often does. I see lonely ships upon the water, better say the women and children first. Sail away with someone's daughter, better say the women and children first.
Hello, it's Bill with Colorado 4x4 Van, and a special treat tonight. I got a tip from one of my viewers, subscribers I guess I should say, that there was a vehicle for sale in the next town over from mine here. This is the Stewart & Stevenson. You saw some of these in the video from Arizona, but they had the enclosed box on the back. This just has the flatbed. But this is the American modern version, more modern version of the Steyr that I'm going to get, and I thought I'd come over and park it next to the van just for scale to show you, because this truck here, it's a little bigger, a little heavier. I'll show you some of that in a minute, but as far as the physical size, it's about the same. So I thought I'd bring it into the van and park it next to it just for some scale pictures. Now the cab is saved from the Steyr, so the cab is the only thing on the Stewart & Stevenson that's the same. Well, this gives you an idea of how much wider it'll be. I think the actual physical space size of this truck is very similar to the Steyr. You won't have the Steyr doesn't have this big of wheels and tires, doesn't have the central tire inflation system. Like I said, the cab is identical. Different motor and transmission. Steyr doesn't have all this. And I think the Steyr is a little bit shorter than this. Same 3 windshield wipers, just like the Steyr. And 22.5. I see everyone in Arizona said they got theirs for about $11,000 at auction, but anyway, just wanted to give it a size comparison here to how much bigger than the van it is. I'll go around this side. So supposedly this is about 9.5 feet tall, and that's about right, because mine's about 9 foot 10, just under 10 feet. So that looks about right. You can see this is a little longer, about 2 feet longer than the van, which is about right. But the big difference is the width. See, when you're almost a full 8 feet wide versus about 6 foot 6 wide. That's a big difference. But Stewart & Stevenson has a lot heavier frame, just a lot bigger truck. The Steyr's listed as a 5-ton truck, and this is about a 7-ton truck here, 7 to 8 tons. Still pretty impressive though. While the Steyr has a 6.6 liter 6-cylinder engine, diesel engine, this has a 6-cylinder Caterpillar engine. More horsepower, about 240 horsepower versus 180 for the Steyr. This has the Allison automatic transmission, which has a push button on it, a lot of electronics, expensive to maintain, whereas the Steyr has a 9-speed manual transmission. But just for physical size comparisons, that's the difference. So as you can see, that's definitely an upgrade in size. And when you figure the camper's on the back of this, it'll sit about 2 feet higher than the cab. So, you know, it's going to be quite a bit taller too. So I'm going to need a bigger shop door. Anyway, just want to give you guys a heads up. I know it's been a while since I made a video. The overland trip is still in the works, so when we do that, we'll have a video for that. Until next time.